Hello, my name is Dr. Prerna Nagi. I am from Hamdard Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. I secured a rank of 192 in INSET in November 2021. I am a foundation, 3 years DAMS foundation student. I started DAMS because of a lot of my classmates were enrolling in it. But once I started attending classes, I really liked the classes, the explanation, the doubt solving. And one of the best thing about DAMS is that by the end of final year, we have all the notes of all the subjects. So in internship, we only have to revise it, and we have to obviously after in TNT, we have to add new information. So by the end of final year, you at least have your study material, how you have to go about it in internship. So that's a one plus point I really like about DAMS. Secondly, then in TNT is actually really good because it will not only tell you the latest trend, but also these are the questions that are likely to be, or the topics that are likely to be in your exams like NEET and INSET. And one other thing is, then there is DAMS Visual Treat, which is DVT. And this, I think, the first time it was in the integrated fashion because of COVID, but that's the key point, or that's the unique thing about DAMS. This was the first time it's an integrated, like we have the physio and your anatomy, and every teacher was there for that particular subject. So in an integrated fashion, it actually was one of the highly key point that I really liked about DAMS. And DVT is like it's very high yield. It's like 4 subjects or 4 registers, but like what you have to revise in that last 15 days or last 1 month before the exam, and it is very high yield, and that's why it is like it's one of the best thing about DAMS. And I really liked my 3-year journey in DAMS because firstly they were there at every step of your preparation. They were there, whether it's doubt solving, whether you want your moral support, like ma'am Sumaya sir and Deepthi ma'am's video before any exam, where they were giving you moral support, and we were like, we can do this, and we are also pepped up, like yes, we can go and we can perform really well in the exam. So at every, like in every aspect they were there. My DAMS DAMS faculty or DAMS family, they were there. Plus one other thing, really good thing about DAMS is their Facebook club. So people can put their queries in that Facebook club, and people can discuss one topic. We can discuss in the comments also. And during revision, like in revision, like Deepak sir also, he put before INSET every day one concept, one topic, and then you can put points. So that's really good way to revise also. So it's and they also tell you how efficiently you have to revise, how much weightage or how much weightage I have to give to one topic. So overall 3 years, and you can get everything, whatever query. Overall it is like a one fully we can say one fully this thing. And in the end, you have to be like, what I can say is I didn't perform really well in NEET, but that's why, because I get you get this thing, you get fumble up, you get nervous. So all you have to do is that whatever happens, you have to give your best shot. That's it. Thank you.